Well, I screwed up really bad. I just sold my car of 14 years the other day, and well, one of the main problems it had was a transmission leak. And as a result, there's transmission oil or gear oil, I don't know, I'm not a goddamn mechanic, but there's oil all over my driveway. As you can see, it's a fairly big spill for what was a small transmission, and the damn thing trails, which really sucks. So I don't want to dive headfirst into the most expensive options, because from what I can see online, that's really pointless. And while looking online, everybody seems to have all of these low cost kind of solutions for getting it out. So what I decided to do was make a trip to Home Depot, grab all the items I know that people are saying will work. So we grabbed paint thinner, baking soda, and while I was at the dollar store, I grabbed some OxiClean too, just for the giggles of it. And we're gonna try all the different solutions with all the different combinations and see which one works. And well, hopefully it doesn't get down to the expensive options, but we will see where it goes. And yeah, hopefully you guys will find a solution. Hopefully I'll find a solution for getting these damn oil stains out of my driveway. We're gonna start with the cheapest method, which is the paint thinner method. Now there's multiple variations of this, but we're gonna try paint thinner only, paint thinner with baking soda, and paint thinner with OxiClean. The OxiClean, I just found at the dollar store for $2. Figured why not try it. But we're gonna try this method first and see how well does it work on this first stain here on the ground. So to begin with, since we're gonna use the paint thinner for all of these, let us start with putting the paint thinner on. We're just gonna put it all over. Ooh, that is some good smell right there. Now, let's get our baking soda. We'll put it right here. Okay, and then for the OxiClean, we'll just pour it right over here. This way we know opposites. There, perfect. Let's do that. Next, we need to brush it. Now I got this brush here with metal bristles, and hopefully this will help a lot. Let's put this on the goddamn stick. Now we let that sit for about 20 minutes and come back, wash it off, and see how it goes. Well, it's been 20 minutes, and as we can see, one looks like it did a far better job than the other. The baking soda looks like it actually may have done a decent job. It looks, this might just be the baking soda itself. We can see the OxiClean did next to nothing, but I got my water here. So let us actually go through and see how this looks. Well, you can see the oil in the rainbow pattern moving down. So this right here was really just the paint thinner. And then this over here was the baking soda. Over here was the OxiClean, I believe. Pretty sure this was the OxiClean site. And you can see here, like the rainbow pattern does show that it is leaching up some of the oil from the ground. But we can also try one more time and see if that actually takes care of the problem or not. You can see it is leaching up though. There's that rainbow pattern moving all the way down. So I guess our next option, if this works well, is to try it. But since we already have it here, we can probably try the next option after paint thinner, and that is to get laundry detergent. Well, as you can see here, we got the rainbow streaks all going down, which shows that water is soaking up some of the oil, leaching it up. But I feel like with all the water on the ground, we should maybe try our next option, and that is to get a cup or a lid full of laundry detergent and just pour it on. And we're going to do it over here on the dry side, or on the side that had nothing on it. And we're just going to see how that goes. This was the next option, the one that from the videos I saw did the best. And I chose to do these because they're cheap. These are cheap for people who might be doing this stuff on a regular basis, who work on cars quite a bit. And you don't want to keep having to buy expensive concrete cleaners or whatever they're called. So let's just try this and see how this goes. There we go. Now we will, well, play the waiting game, I suppose. Pour it out for the homies. Boom. Here we are the next day, and it looks like the laundry detergent has done an amazing job. Now, there's a lot of discoloration, like here and here, but overall, it looks fantastic. Even down here, we can see that on the bigger penis-shaped oil stain, it's done really well. So I want to try the next solution, which was the laundry detergent, but I want to try it alone, and I want to try it with baking soda, and I want to try it with paint thinner and see if it makes any real significant difference. So we'll start up here with it just being by itself. So here we are, just pouring a little bit by itself, and then we'll do this one here where we'll do the baking soda, and we'll do this one here, which will be the paint thinner. Next we have the baking soda. Well, we can see after about 3 cycles of laundry detergent and paint thinner, we managed to get most of the stain out. Not too terrible for the result. In fact, you can even see as it washed down, it took some of the other stain with it as well. Well, as you can see, after about 2 cycles of paint thinner and laundry detergent of all things, that seemed to have the best results. It took the stain almost out of the driveway. I assume maybe 3 or 4 more cycles of, you know, scrubbing it in, washing it out, and this oil stain will be gone. All in the cost, since everybody owns laundry detergent anyway, the cost of this is really just the price of the brush and the price of the paint thinner. So about $31 to get it all out. You want to make sure you use a steel bristle brush. That is definitely important. But there you guys have it. No expensive solutions needed. No concrete soaker upper thingies from Home Depot for like $100. Just some laundry detergent and a little bit of paint thinner, and it'll take it right out, as you can clearly see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is a brand new channel, so trying to get to 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in. I've been Arif. If you like this channel, well, check out some of my other ones in the channel links down below, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.